Let's now see how you can link your email account to Tobu. So first, you look for settings on the left panel. So you click on settings. You then go to configure email, and now that's it. So you have the options provided to you. So based on which email service you are using, whether it's Gmail or some Microsoft service or Zoho, you can click on one of these three icons. However, if you're not using one of these three services, you can click on show more options. And now you can link your email account to Tobu by filling in these boxes. So typically you might have these settings available in your Microsoft Outlook that you have configured on your computer. So you simply enter the settings that you find in the Microsoft Outlook's account settings for your email account. So you enter your email ID, your email's password, then the incoming email server details, whether it's IMAP or POP, or whether the SSL is enabled or disabled, and finally the outgoing mail server settings. So you should find all of this in your Microsoft Outlook account settings, and you simply hit save and you're done. That's it. So you've linked your email account successfully. So now it's also important to remember that there are two modes in which you can link your email account to Tobu. So one is the send and receive mode. So if you click on any one of these, you're in the send and receive mode. And then there is the configure send only email, right? So the send and receive mode means that Tobu would automatically back up all your emails as well as give you the ability to send emails from your email account from Tobu itself. Whereas in the send only option, Tobu will not back up all your resumes from your email account. You can only send emails from your email account right from Tobu. So that is the send only option. So based on what option you're looking for, if you want to back up your resumes, you click on one of these. If you simply want a send only option, you click on configure send only email, and you should again see one of these options and it will go into send only mode. And this is how you link your email accounts to Tobu.